Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fish egg. First, you'll want to carefully extract the roe sac from your chosen fish, ensuring it remains whole. It's crucial to handle it gently to avoid breakage. Once removed, give the sac a thorough, yet gentle, rinse under cold running water to wash away any lingering blood or debris. Finally, pat it completely dry with paper towels. This step is vital for the curing process ahead, so take your time. Now for the essential curing step. You'll need a good amount of fine sea salt. Completely encase the entire roe sac in a thick, even layer of salt. This isn't just seasoning, it's the primary method of preservation and flavor development. Place the heavily salted roe in a shallow, non-reactive dish and refrigerate it for about 3 to 5 days. Remember to turn the sac over once every 24 hours to ensure uniform curing and efficient moisture removal. After curing, gently rinse off any excess salt from the roe. Now, for shaping and further moisture removal, place the roe between two clean boards. Apply a light weight, perhaps a few pounds, to the top board for about 24 hours. This pressing helps compact the roe and gives it a firm texture. Following this, hang the roe in a cool, dry, and well-ventilated space. Air drying can take anywhere from 1 to 3 weeks, depending on humidity and desired firmness. Once your fish roe is fully cured and dried, it should feel quite firm and dense, almost like a hard cheese. This indicates it's ready for storage and enjoyment. To keep it fresh, wrap the finished product tightly in parchment paper, then place it in an airtight container in your refrigerator. It can last for several weeks this way. When you're ready to enjoy, simply slice it very thinly and use it as a rich, savory garnish or a delightful appetizer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.